Bonjour everyone, I am Krishang and I am thrilled to have you back on my channel in Krishang French Learning, where I make French easy to learn with fun. Today's video is all about la négation in French, and I promise it to be loaded with all the learning. Whether you are just starting out or already a French lover, stick around for some language joy. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. La négation in French is like saying no or not. It's a way to express the opposite of something. So, instead of just saying I eat, you can use negation to say I don't eat. It's a cool language tool that adds a bit of magic to your French sentences. Ever wondered how to say no in French? That's what we are tackling today. La négation in French is like using a special spell to say no or not. Imagine you have two magical verbs, ne and pas. When you put them around a verb, like je ne parle pas, I don't speak, it's like casting a language spell to make it negative. So, la négation is your secret trick for turning positive sentences into negative ones in French. Before we start the video, let's go through some rules of la négation. Whenever there is a verb in a sentence, we use before the verb ne and after the verb pas, and in between there should be a verb. If your verb is started with any vowel like a, e, I, o, u or a silent h, never then we put an apostrophe in place of ne, and after the verb pa will remain same. While doing these changes, you need to learn three rules. Rule number 1. In case of partitive articles in French, like do, the la apostrophe, they change into the, and the or the apostrophe means some or any. They show the quantity of something, and in case of and un, in case of or un, like I have a pen or I have a few apples, where they are showing quantity. But while in negating the sentences, we want to say I don't have any. Like I say, do you have some apples? You reply, I don't have any. So you make certain changes while giving your answer in negative sentence. So all the cases of some change into any means all the cases of partitive articles like do, the apostrophe, and they, and a or un will change to the or the apostrophe. Second rule says that no article will change with être verb, means whenever you get the conjugation of être, so before the verb you will write ne and after the verb we write pas, and there will be no change in further article. Now come to the third rule. There are few verbs like aimer, adorer, détester and préférer, your likings, and aimer to love, adorer to like, and disliking, détester to hate, and préférer definite or certain. So you always use definite articles le, la, le for liking and disliking. These articles will not change in any sentences and will remain same. If you find le, la, and le in sentences with these verbs, there will be no change. Let's learn how to apply these rules into sentences. The rule negation says, in French, when we want to say not or don't in a sentence, we use ne before the verb and pas after the verb. Let's take the first sentence. Je veux du gâteau means I want cake. Here, veux is the verb. So, before the verb we write ne and after the verb we write pas. Check how we'll make use of it in our sentence. Je ne veux pas du gâteau. Let's come to partitive article rule that says do will change into the or the apostrophe. So we write the in the place of do. It is because the word does not start with vowel. So we have to use the. So in place of do, we write the gâteau. Je ne veux pas de gâteau. I don't want any cake. Now come to second sentence. Elle mange de la viande. She eats meat. In this sentence, mange is the verb. So we write elle before the verb, we put ne, and after the verb, we put pas. Now come to again partitive article rule for the la change into the viande. Elle ne mange pas de viande. She does not eat meat. Third sentence. Vous achetez des robes. You buy dresses. Acheter is a verb, so before the verb and after the verb, rule apply. We write vous. Here verbs start with a vowel, so we put na apostrophe, then verb acheter pas. Now in this day, now again partitive article rule use and will change into the robe. Achetez pas the robe. You do not buy dresses. You don't buy dresses. Now come to fourth sentence. Elle boit de l'eau. She drinks water. Verb is boire. So we write now before the verb boire and after the verb pas. Now comes to partitive articles rule. The la apostrophe. We change to the apostrophe because word u is started with a vowel e. So we write elle ne boit pas d'eau. She doesn't drink water. Now come to the next rule. Il aime la musique. He like music. Here, aim is a verb, means to like, to love. As I told to you about your liking and disliking, before the verb we use na and after the verb pa. Il, here I am writing an apostrophe because verb started with a vowel a, so we write na apostrophe with aim, then pa. Now the rule says if there is a definite article la, there will be no change in article. So we write la musique. Il n'aime pas la musique. He doesn't like music. Now we come to the second sentence. Elles sont des étudiants. There are students. They are students. Now again we write subject first L, then ne. For the verb and after the verb pa. Now see there is they is given here and so is the conjunction of être verb. So the rule says if there is être, there should be no change with the partitive articles. They, so we write des étudiants. Elles ne sont pas des étudiants. They are not students. Now we come to the third sentence. Tu as la livre de français. Now again the same tu, a is your verb. So again there is vowel a. So we're dropping na, a, pa. Now we see la is used here. So we apply definite article rule. No change. So we write la and rest of the sentence without doing any changes in articles. N'a pas la livre de français. You don't have the French book. Je déteste les légumes. I hate vegetables. Deteste means to hate. As I told to you about your liking and disliking are definite. So we always use definite articles with them, and the rule also says that whenever there is deteste or aime, verb in sentence means liking and disliking. There should be no change in article. So we write Je ne déteste pas les légumes. I don't hate vegetables. So it was all about rules to convert positive sentences into negative one. I hope you had a great learning through this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment below in the comment section. In case you are new to my channel and liked my video, please do share and subscribe my channel also. So that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.